Hey guys, so today we're gonna run a graphic comparison test. The CPU is a Core i5-12600K. It have an intergraphic of Intel UHD 770. It's gonna pit with the GeForce RTX 3060. The first test is with the Intel UHD 770. I'm gonna be playing GTA 5. This is the GTA 5 graphic setting for the Intel integrated GPU 770. So leave a comment below what you think about the graphic for the Intel GPU 770. Is it good for gameplay? The next one is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. So that's the end of comparison. Leave a comment below what you think between the Intel GPU 770 versus the GeForce RTX 3060. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!